Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haris bin Herman. My part is introduction. During this economic crisis, we have in difficult situation to sustain our financial state. While the economic crisis is affected, the cost of living is increasing. Mostly, lot of people was fired from their job, so it's hard to find a part-time job to pay utility bill for the house. If we want to survive during this crisis, our group need to find potential energy and cost saving to house to able sustain the financial situation. The baseline energy consumption for 12 months from January to December. The maximum electrical usage that we get is at September, which is 384 kilowatt per hour, while the cost is 140.60 cent, while the minimum we get from April, which is 260 kilowatt per hour, and the cost is 58.05 cent. For the average is 304.17, while the cost is 76.25.
Hi, I am Chintiru Nachar Duremutu. My metric number B0620100079. So now I will continue the presentation by presenting about cost saving target for energy consumption. Through the graph, we can manage to identify the minimum maximum value average for the month's electrical usage and cost. This is also known as time dependent analysis. As we can see, there is an increase in electrical usage for the first 3 months and then a drop on the next month, but following month started to increase, which is from June to September. In month of October, decline followed by the increase in November and finally drop in the December. By analyzing, we found that month of April recorded the minimum value and September recorded the maximum value. To calculate the average of electrical usage and cost, total divided by the total month required. And for calculate the energy efficiency index, monthly consumption divided by the number of household. Our household is 4 people, so we divided by 4 to get the energy efficiency index. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue the presentation.
From this slide, we have calculated each energy used by equipment in our house to find energy consumption for a year. From this, we know that for 12 months, iron used 396 kilowatt per hour, refrigerator used 1368 kilowatt per hour, washing machine used 459 kilowatt per hour, lighting used 3110.4 kilowatt per hour, and rice cooker used 180 kilowatt per hour.
Right now I will talk about the load apportionment, which is the percentage consumption of each equipment. So how do we get the percentage? We choose the energy consumption per month for each equipment, divide by the total energy consumption per month and times 100. So for the iron, we got 3%, for refrigerator we get 72%, for washing machine also get 3%, lighting we got 21% and rice cooker only 1%.
Hi, my name is Nur Arisha Akmal binti Kornizam. My matrix number is B0620100069. For today, I will present about energy and cost saving measure for our house. Firstly, we must change our everyday habits by doing household chores manually. We must use less energy intensive appliances. Next, buy electrical appliances with the label energy star, so it can saving more energy. I will explain the refrigerator reduced energy, which is 0.5 kilowatt. The usage is 501.12 kilowatt per month and 6013.44 kilowatt per year. The cost is RM258.58 per month and RM343367 per year. The next is washing machine reduced energy, which is 0.15 kilowatt. So the usage is 31.36 kilowatt per month and 376.38 kilowatt per year. So the cost is RM12.62 per month and RM194.21 per year.
Financial analysis based on our house equipment. To save energy, activity of energy conservation that we conduct is we buy a new iron that use less energy consumption. We also install LED light, buy new rice cooker that use low energy consumption, buy energy efficiency refrigerator, and install new energy efficiency washing machine. To find simple payback period, we use calculation of investment divided by saving cost per year. From this analysis, we can see the lowest simple payback period is 0.2 year for LED light installation, and the highest simple payback period is 3.3 years for washing machine installation.
Next, for the implementation plan, we have divided by 3 cost measure, which is low cost measure, medium cost measure, and high cost measure. For low cost measure, buy new iron that use less energy consumption and buy new rice cooker that use less energy consumption. Install LED light with total cost investment RM256 with the total payback period is 4.86. For the medium cost measurement, buy energy efficiency washing machine. Cost investment is in between the high cost and low cost measure, which is RM650 cost with 3.34 payback period. Lastly, we place buy energy efficiency refrigerator at the high cost measurement with RM2,200 cost investment with total payback period 0.64. For the priority, we choose the implementation with the highest percentage cost saving to maximize the potential saving cost. So for our top priority, we choose buy energy efficiency washing machine and buy new rice cooker that use less energy consumption. For our second priority, we choose to buy energy efficiency refrigerator, and for our third priority, buy new iron that use less energy consumption and install LED light.